Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to edit or modify a PDF file. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. PDF or portable document file becomes a de facto file format in this digital world. With the use of internet, PDF that is being created by Adobe Systems becomes one of the most commonly used file format in handling document. Now, the most common challenge or problem that most users encounter is how to edit a PDF file if they make a mistake. So in this video, I will be using Foxit PDF editor. You can use other editor, but in this example, Foxit PDF editor. So let us open this file. And then we have here the text. How does a computer work? Let's say we want to change this. In Foxit, we just simply click this, edit text. Once it is clicked, we can make some changes. Let's say we will erase and then we will type PC fundamentals. Okay, we add this word, and then we might try to make it this text much bigger. Let's say 48. Okay, and then we change the color, if we want to change from black to red. Okay, now after we have done, we simply click this icon, the save or Control S. Take a closer look when I try to open this file, download, using the browser, I will open with a different software, let's say Sumatra PDF. Okay, as you can see, we type the word that we type is PC fundamentals. It is already modified, in our PDF file successfully using Foxit. Okay guys, so if you have some questions, clarification of our tutorial video for today, kindly leave in the comment section. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this short video can help you a lot on how to edit or modify the text in a PDF or portable document format using Foxit PDF. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Thank you so much for your support in watching and like in my video. This is your friend Jake saying don't forget to subscribe. Okay, once again, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.